Good morning, afternoon or evening, wherever you are. I'm Paul Clark and welcome to my 5-minute tips in watercolour. Today we're going to have a look at a great technique for painting mist. So let's get going. The good thing about this technique is that you can add the mist to a painting that you've already done. This is a little spooky woods I painted specially, as what we're looking for is a fairly dark background for our mist to sort of contrast against. If you want to learn more about painting trees, I have a comprehensive video on the subject. Link is in the description below. I've also been through a drawer of my old paintings and I found this, so we'll have a go at adding some mist to this. The paint I'm using for this technique is some white gouache. Now what's important is that the paint is an opaque or body colour paint. So you could use some acrylic or poster paint as long as it's water soluble. Now carefully wet with clean water the area where we're going to drop in the mist. It's important the original painting is totally dry and that you use a very light touch so as not to pull up any of the paint. Wait for about 30 seconds. Next, load up your brush with a fairly liberal amount of the white gouache and simply paint it across your picture in bands. When it's dry, you should be left with this lovely soft edge misty effect. Shall we have a little rain for atmosphere? So on this demo I used quite a lot of white paint in creating this. But in this next painting I'm going to be a little more subtle and just give this picture a few light misty flicks across the centre here. Okay, so same again with clean water and a very light touch. I'm just simply re-wetting the centre section. Wait for about 30 seconds, then this time with not quite as much paint, some quick strokes across the centre. And there we have it, a little more subtle this time, but just the hint of some mist across the buildings. Well, I hope you've enjoyed today's lesson. I'm going to play you out with a few paintings that I've done using the very techniques that we've learnt today. Please like, please subscribe, see you all again soon, and bye for now.